Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto biscuits. Okay, today I've got a delicious keto biscuit recipe for you. It is a little different than my keto cheddar bay biscuits, which have cheddar cheese and garlic powder. These are more breakfasty, more reminiscent of an actual like fluffy biscuit, like a fluffy homemade biscuit. So we're starting with 2 cups of almond flour, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to stir that up, and now we're going to add in 4 beaten eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. So now we just need to combine all of these ingredients to form our dough. Okay, we've got our dough mixed. So I've got a lined sheet pan here, and I'm going to use this scooper to scoop out my biscuits. So this scooper, it says it's a number 16. It's probably ice cream scoop size. I'm pretty sure it's 3 tablespoons. So we're gonna scoop out our biscuits evenly. Perfect, made exactly 12 biscuits. So these are gonna go in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes until they are cooked all of the way through. Yeah, that's it. That is it, and I mean, so much easier than regular biscuits. So much easier. Okay, here are our biscuits out of the oven, and they look so good. Look at that. Looks so good. Let's open one up. Oh man, the texture is so good. Let's try a bite. Those are really good. The texture is so good. I mean, really. Put some butter on there. Some sugar-free jelly. Oh my gosh, those will be so good. You are going to love this recipe. Also, if you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here and it will take you to my keto breakfast casserole, which is would go perfectly with this recipe. If you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jennifervans.com, and just search for breakfast casserole, and it'll pop right up. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.